Good morning, everyone. Today we shall start revision for chapter 7 from history textbook Tribes, Nomads, and Settled Communities. Students, in our previous chapters, mainly in chapter 2, 3, and 4, we studied about dynasties, major dynasties. काफ़ी सारी डायनेस्टीज हमने कवर की. After that, we studied about cities, and types of cities were administrative towns, temple towns, and commercial towns. And we studied about many of the kingdoms. जो kingdoms वहाँ पे settled हो रही थी. We studied about rich peoples. तो बड़े लोग जो थे उनके बारे में तो हमने डिस्कस किया अभी तक. बट अभी तक जो पोर्शन हमारा थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे रह गया है उसमें क्या आते हैं आप. एज द नेम ऑफ द चैप्टर डिस्क्राइब्स, ट्राइब्स, कॉमन पीपल और लो स्किल पीपल्स जो थे, नोमाड्स. नोमाड्स क्या हैं? घूमने फिरने वाले लोग, घुमंतु तरह के जो लोग हैं. एंड सेटल्ड कम्युनिटीज, और जो वहाँ पे सेटल्ड हो रहे थे, एग्रीकल्चरिस्ट जो थे. इन दिस चैप्टर वी हैड डिस्कस्ड ऑल दीज थिंग्स. जस्ट रिकॉल फ्रॉम द लास्ट रीडिंग. In our last reading of this chapter, we have discussed all these things. Just recall about it. Let's start revision work for chapter 7. In chapter 2, 3, and 4, how kingdoms rose and fell. New arts, crafts, and production activities flourished in towns and villages. Over the centuries, important political, social, and economic developments had taken place. ये सारी चीज़ें हमने ऑब्जर्व की थी लास्ट चैप्टर्स के अंदर. प्रीवियस चैप्टर्स जो हमने किए हैं, आर्ट्स, क्राफ्ट्स, प्रोडक्शन, ये सारी चीज़ें वहाँ पर कैसे हैपन्स हो रही हैं, कैसे हो रही हैं वहाँ पर. पॉलिटिकल, सोशल, इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट्स भी हमने चेक करे. बट social change was not the same everywhere because different kind of societies evolved differently. So that's why it is important to understand how and why this happened. Because different kinds of society evolved differently, अलग अलग तरह से काम कर रही हैं सभी societies. तो ये जानना यहाँ पे ज़रूरी हो जाता है. It is important to know about, to understand how and why this all happened. In large parts of the subcontinent, society was already divided according to the rules of Varna. These rules, as prescribed by the Brahmanas, were accepted by the rulers of the large kingdoms. Students, in previous class, in class 6, we studied about Varna based system. काफ़ी सारे टॉपिक्स हमने किए थे. वर्ना बेस्ड सिस्टम हमने कवर किया था इन क्लास 6. द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द हाई एंड लो and between the rich and poor increased. Under the Delhi Sultans and the Mughals, this hierarchy between social class grew further. In our previous chapters, we studied big cities, Thanjavur, Masulipattnam, and so many other cities, so many other big cities we have discussed till now. But one thing, one important thing which we have not taken till this chapter is small cities where the common people were lived. Common people were lived. Other kind of societies as well. Many societies in the subcontinent do not follow the social rules and rituals prescribed by the Brahmanas, nor were they divided into numerous unequal classes, and such societies are often called tribes. People were not divided into numerous unequal classes, and such societies are often called tribes. Members of each tribe were united by kinship bonds. What is kinship bond? Means friendship bonds. There were a relationship between the peoples like friends or friendship bond. So that's why members of each tribe were united by kinship bond or friendship bond. Many tribes obtained their livelihood from agriculture, and others others were hunter gatherers or herders. These were the two main occupations of the tribal societies. Some were dependent on agriculture and some were hunter gatherers or herders. Some tribes were nomadic and moved from one place to another. Some were nomadic. Nomadic means घूमने वाले लोग, घुमंतु तरह के जो लोग हैं जो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पर शिफ्ट होते रहते हैं. And moved from one place to another. A tribal group controlled land and pastures jointly and divided these amongst households according to its own rules. तो जितने भी ट्राइबल ग्रुप्स हैं उनके क्या हैं, अपने अलग अलग रूल्स हैं. दे हैव देयर ओन रूल्स. Many large tribes thrived in different parts of the subcontinent. They usually lived in forests, hills, deserts, and places difficult to reach. They lived in such places like forest, hills, deserts, or some other places where difficult to reach. Sometimes they clashed with more powerful caste-based societies. Clashed means आपस में टकराना. With the more powerful caste-based societies, तो आपस में थोड़ा सा स्ट्रगल होता रहता है उनके बीच में. In various ways, the tribes retained their freedom and preserved their separate culture. तो जितनी भी ट्राइब्स हैं उन सब ने क्या किया हुआ है, अपनी अलग अलग कल्चर को जो है मेंटेन रखा है, अपने कल्चर को प्रिजर्व रखा है इन्होंने. बट द कास्ट बेस्ड एंड ट्राइबल सोसाइटीज ऑल्सो डिपेंडेड ऑन ईच अदर फॉर देयर डाइवर्स नीड्स. दिस रिलेशनशिप of conflict and dependency gradually caused both societies to change. Just recall about barter system. barter system किया था ना हमने, जहां पर एक्सचेंज ऑफ गुड्स चल रहा था. तो क्या होता था कि जहां पर जो चीज़ें हमारे पास नहीं है हम उनसे एक्सचेंज कर रहे हैं दूसरी चीज़ों को. सो this relationship of conflict and dependency gradually caused both societies to change. Now, the main important portion of this chapter, who were tribal people? As the name of the chapter, tribe. So, we shall discuss tribal people. Who were tribal people? What do you know about the tribal people? Or how we get to know about tribes or tribal people? कहाँ से पता लगा हमें? Historians. Historians and travelers give very scanty information about tribes. Tribal people did not keep written records, but they preserved rich customs and oral traditions. रिटर्न रिकॉर्ड्स नहीं है कुछ भी, बट उन्होंने क्या किया, उनकी जितनी भी कस्टम्स थी, जितने भी ट्रेडिशंस थे, उनको उन्होंने जिंदा रखा, कंटिन्यू रखा उनको. Present day historians have started using such oral traditions to write tribal histories. तो हिस्टोरियंस जो है उन्होंने लिखना शुरू किया इनके बारे में. Tribal people were found in almost every region of the subcontinent. Like in Punjab, the Khokhar tribe was very influential during the 13th and 14th centuries. Later, the Gakhar became more important, and their chief. Just recall who was the chief of Gakhars. Kamal Khan Gakhar was made a noble by Emperor Akbar. Gakhar's chief Kamal Khan Gakhar made noble by Emperor Akbar. In this map, we may observe areas related to them. खोखर्स पंजाब का जो पोर्शन था, यहाँ पे इस एरियाज़ के अंदर कुछ और सोसाइटीज़ भी थी, गद्दी ट्राइब्स. एंड इधर जो नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न का जो एरियाज़ थे, नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्टेट्स जो थी, यहाँ पर अहोम, कोच, चेरोज़, ये सारे जो है यहाँ पे थे. सेंट्रल इंडिया का जो पोर्शन था, वहाँ पे मेनली थे गोंड्स, गोंडवाना का जो एरिया था मेनली. एंड ये जो पोर्शंस हैं, कोलीज, जायतवाज, भील्स. In Multan and Sindh, the Langas and Arguns and the Baloches were another large and powerful tribe in northwest. They were divided into many smaller clans under different chiefs. तो क्लैंस क्या है, अलग अलग जो उनके कुल थे या छोटे छोटे ग्रुप्स बने हुए इनके. इन द वेस्टर्न हिमालयाज लिव्ड इन द शेफर ट्राइब ऑफ गद्दीज. तो यहाँ पे कौन सी है, गद्दीज रहते हैं. हिमालय का जो एरियाज जो था, वी मे सी हियर दिस पोर्शन, यहाँ पे गद्दी ट्राइब्स थी मेनली. एंड the distant northeastern part of the subcontinent too was entirely dominated by tribes, Nagas, Ahoms, and many others. In this portion, ये जो पोर्शन है सारा, in many areas of present-day Bihar and Jharkhand, Cheros chiefdoms had merged by the 12th century. Chero chiefdoms had merged by the 12th century. Raja Man Singh, Akbar's famous general, attacked and defeated the Cheros in 1591. Who attacked and defeated the Cheros? Raja Man Singh Akbar's famous general attacked and defeated the Cheros in 1591. A large amount of booty was taken from them, but they were not entirely subdued. काफ़ी कुछ वहाँ से लिया गया, पैसा लूटा गया वहाँ से, बट इनको पूरी तरह से कवर नहीं कर पाए, इनको अपने अंदर नहीं दबा पाए, अपने अधीन नहीं कर पाए. अंडर औरंगजेब, मुगल फोर्सेस कैप्चर्ड मैनी चेरोज फोर्ट्रेसेस एंड सबजुगेटेड द ट्राइब. तो काफ़ी सारे एरियाज इन्होंने कवर किए, काफ़ी सारे किलों पर अपना जो है राइट कर लिया, अटैक्स किए, बट ट्राइब्स जो थी उनको पूरा दबा नहीं पाए. द मुंडाज एंड संथाल्स वर अमंग द पीपल among the other important tribes that live in this region and also in Odisha and Bengal. The Maharashtra highlands and Karnataka were home to the Kolis, Birds, and numerous other societies, other caste. South, large tribal populations of Kodagas, Vetars, Marwars, and many others. The large tribe of Bhil was spread across western and central India. And by the late 16th century, many of them had become settled agriculturalists and some even zamindars. तो ये क्या बन गए? एग्रीकल्चरलिस्ट बन गए और कुछ इनमें से जमींदार बन गए. The Gonds were found in great number across the present-day states of Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and आंध्र प्रदेश. तो गोंड्स जो कैटेगरी थी वो कहाँ पे आजकल? छत्तीसगढ़, मध्य प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र एंड आंध्र प्रदेश रीजन्स में. Okay students, read this topic attentively. We shall continue on the same topic in our next lecture. Thank you.